Project Cars here with a quick video. You will see a small dent. I put a piece of tape there. It's right in front of there. Very small one. All right, you see the distortion in the light? Right in front of the tape. Got to get the camera just right. That's what we're going to try to pull out. Right there. We've cleaned it with rubbing alcohol. You take your tool that you glue on, and by putting a piece of tape on there, it helps me to see right where the dent is as well, because it is pretty small. But the owner doesn't want it there. So press it down so it's mushroomed out about a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch where the glue comes around here. Let that dry about a minute, and then we'll pull it off there and see what happens, see if the dent's gone.
3 hours later.
Alrighty then. We let that dry for about a minute. And if you're worried about your paint, you can always put a piece of cloth on these pads right here. Lay one of your pads on here. You're going to need 2 of them. Take your X-Acto knife, press down hard. Now you have 2 pads. Take your lighter, go around, get the fraying. Take your contact spray, just a little shot. Try to get it around the edges. Let that dry about 5 minutes in 70-degree weather, and you'll be able to stick them right on there. And then you've now protected your paint from scratching and that when you use these. And about the right noise for it to make when it comes off there. And if the glue doesn't come off, you just put a little 99% right there. And take your plastic razor blade, and that'll come right off. Like that. Alright, now you can see the dent is raised up. Right here, you see the buckle in the light. Let's see if we can get that to level out. Using our knockdown tool, and it looks like it's right there. That dent is about as gone as you're going to get it.